Model 2013 Volkswagen Transporter T30 102 PS 2.0 TDI STARTLINE long wheelbase, fresh MOT no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 176534. MOT, the 6th of November 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 102 PSC. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect. Dual mass flywheel is rattling, so will need replacing. Still starts and drives fine. Just had a fresh 12-month MOT put on it. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,775 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740